बेसिक कंप्यूटर के सिलसिले में ये पांचवी वीडियो है, पांचवा पार्ट है एमसीक्यूज़ का। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ रीड ओनली मेमोरी रोम मेक्स इट यूजफुल? एंड द इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. Option B is correct. Data in ROM is non-volatile, that is it remains there even without electrical power. Next question, what do you call the program that are used to find the out possible faults and their causes? Its answer is option C, diagnostic causes. Next question, which program languages are classified as low level languages? Its answer is option D, assembly languages. Next question, which of the following is not antivirus software? And its answer is option C, Oracle. Next question, what does DMA stands for? Its answer is option B, direct memory access. Next question, which of the following is a storage device? And its answer is option B, hard disk. Sorry, its answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, when did John Napier develop algorithm? Its answer is option B, 1614. And the next question is, MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by. Its answer is option D, managers. Next question, ASCII stands for. Its answer is option C, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Option C is correct. And the last question in this video, which of the following is first generation of computer? Its correct option is option A. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।